it's Miss Dale here, and today I will be using a hair feather, and let's see what colors we got, and let's get started. And my hair's wavy because I had braids in it last night. Got it. Alright, so here is the colors. We got some purple, some blue, some silver, some orange, some red. And we're going to use these colors, and I got kind of a kit. And there's these pliers. Did I say that right? And this other tool to put it in my hair, and then these beads help it stand. Alright, so these are super long, and we are going to trim them. Pull these out of the package. These are fake feathers. I really like the colors. They're really pretty. And we're going to trim them because they're really long and put them in my hair.
What color?
Blue.
Okay, so what we did there is we got the bead on first. So we want to get the bead like close up here, and then we're going to stick the hair feather in. So we got one attached. I got attached, and now we need to trim. Actually, it's like the length of your hair, but we need to trim this top part.
Okay.
Got it? And then you can go look in the mirror and see.
I'm going to do 3 more colors. This pink, this kind of white, and this purple. I'm going to do it on this side because I have my blue. There's 2 blues in there. If you can. Well, wait, should I put it on this side? I'm going to do the purple and the pink on this side.
Okay.
Alright, so here's my hair feathers. And so you can cut them, wash them, swim with them. And later today, I'm going to do gymnastics with them. Oh, and if you can see, I have pink and purple on the side. And I have a turquoise and a blue on this side. So, that's my hair. And these are fake. Bye, chickens and cupcakes. See you later. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Ding, ding, ding.